Alrighty folks, hey, we're back with a beautiful Mother's Day table for late spring. May 8th this year. It's a little earlier. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Hey, check it out guys. We got something really different for Mother's Day. We got this beautiful platinum color, 100% cotton tablecloth, 70-inch in the damask style. And like that isn't pretty enough, we got our new Mother's Day medallion. Could be for a different day too. And I got this all ironed for our table today. Oh my goodness, what a combo. What a combo that is. Now I'm gonna take a fern and just kind of measure here. See what I got. Okay. So, you know I want to do it extra special for mothers, and I'm gonna take another new piece that you saw in a video. You probably saw it a couple of times. This ironed up real good, by the way. Real nice. This center medallion from Leipzig, Germany. Like I say, like that wasn't good enough, we're still going. Here is our porcelain wicker basket made in Italia. Capo di Monte special right here. I'm going to make an arrangement in the basket. You know we have a little trouble having things stick out too far, but I still have certain parameters I like to meet. I don't want to bury the pretty basket either, but that's good by itself when it's on a shelf by itself, but we're using it as the centerpiece today. We're going to go with big, glorious pink hydrangea. Look at these little beauties. One is by itself, I guess. And there's more that have the little bud. We'll have to fight getting that up there to stay for a minute till we get enough in. Okay, I see I have 3 of these, which I like. 3 of them with the bud, and 2 that are bigger without the bud. Like this. Man, is that cute for Mom? I know some of you are remembering, I thought you were getting rid of pink, Jeff. You couldn't wait to get rid of pink. I did get caught on that a bit, but I'm not trying to get rid of it. But it was on the way out. So you'll see a little pink in the summer, but it's not dominant, and it's not part of the theme for summer here at my take. But it definitely is gonna send it home for Mom for Mother's Day, I think. Let's look at that. Now again, little tweak. We don't want it reaching into somebody's food. One more little secret here. These violet giant daisies are Mom's colored. And that's going to complement our arrangement because of that tablecloth. See if I got room. That's a tall one. Okay, let's try it. Now, ooh, I'm liking it. And I think we can go about like this, what I usually see when we're all set up. Oh man. Wow, that's really pretty for Mom. Hey now, for you new folks out there, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and push that bell notification. You'll have fun like all our good friends and family right here on YouTube. And we hope you're doing something special for your mom for Mother's Day. Now, you're not going to even believe it. I've got a vintage plate that's the inspiration for today. It's by Padden City, made in the good old USA. Believe it or not, we do have a couple. There's 3 different ones in the house. Then we got our glorious, I couldn't find anything else that matched the sheer elegance of this table than the scalloped plate charger in the pure white to go with it. Now, if you couldn't see that platinum color before, which our center matches just wonderful. It's a little darker, but this is going to set them all off. And look at our colors in the plate here. For you women and you girls and any pink lovers out there, and especially moms, this table's for you. Just for mothers today. Okay, while I'm doing this, I'm paying attention to my spacing. So if I'm not good at it, I can take a charger plate and check it out. Now, this does fit in between. A little more room there, so that tells me right away I need to go over there just a bit. Okay, I can tweak and turn this fern any way I need to make it work. Here we're looking at this again. You see this trapezoid shape right in between the plates. Okay, just to help you think, you can use anything that works for you, of course, you know that. You could keep a little ruler in your drawer if that's what makes you comfortable. The Padden City Pottery Company, made in USA. D51 is the pattern. Otherwise, there's no other name. And this is in an old-fashioned creamy yellow. That's why I wanted these chargers. You see how they set off of them? And the charger's important here because it separates the plate from the beautiful linen. These are special. And I'll tell you, they get used, you know, once a year. Once a year for a special table. Some things don't even get used that much. Okay, folks, we are doing a full service place setting because the girls are going to eat and then they're going to have their chocolate and cocoa party. The guys are probably going to go hide and watch a war movie or something. Let's get that dinner knife to face the plate. 2 fingers off the table. You wanna make it special. The dinner fork and salad fork, gonna have the works. And lots of desserts. Make your eyes water. Anybody on a diet, I don't know, warning, you might have to turn the channel. I don't think we have big dieters on our channel and in the audience. And now that we have our silver flatware placed, I can remind you that that'll be linked in the description box under the video. Beautiful 12 place setting by Wallace that we picked up a while ago. There's no doubt the dinner plates are gorgeous, but we are open in the middle so I can put the napkin on the plate. This two-tiered tray is quite fabulous and real spring colors with birds, roses, of course, for this table. Now we've got a wonderful fruit bowl in those colors from Bavaria. And we're going to get that to the outside of the table where I always put it, just out of the way right there. An incredible, you'll see the close-up without the cheese, 2 cheese reticulated server made in Bavaria. Seems to be kind of a perpetual thing there, isn't there? I guess so. Their stuff is just gorgeous. Looking good. I've got that dessert tray done. I think we can squeeze that in right here. Oh my goodness. They'll be hard pressed to eat their little cutlet first and their salad. Right? But we can't wait for that. We want to show you everything. Now we'll get in a cracker dish with the wonderful crystal tray and a completely vintage sugar and creamer from Bavaria, of course. Let's see where we can go. After dinner mints, we got right here with its own spoon. Again, Bavarian. Look at the little server. Too cute. Little sugar with the pink roses. Now our wonderful cocoa pot from our thrift haul that you guys saw last week. And 4 people are gonna get that matching Demitasse cup. Trying not to cover all of that center medallion's beauty. But you know, there's plenty to see and plenty to look at, even though we have a busy table. Now also with our chocolate, we're going to want a little cordial. And that's going to go so good with that dessert. Look at this beauty. And the year is 2018, so it's 4 years old. It ought to be really wonderful by now. I can't believe it. I'm going to have to come up with a couple of candles and be right back. But actually, I think I'll be able to just take you and show you all around. Now folks, if you liked our video today, you know the rule. Give us a like, a share, a comment, a smiley face, a lemon, any cute emoji you can drum up. Be happy, guys. Thanks for coming by. Lots more to come. Happy Mother's Day to our wonderful mothers here and working in heaven. Take care, everybody. Be good, and we'll see you in the next amazing, over-the-top, incredible decor and elegant table setting video.